was in the house getting lunch and the first dump truck showed up without me. Oh well. We're doing construction, Kevin. What do you think? Yeah, it's a little bit scary, huh? Well, I think we're on our either 5th or 6th load of gravel. We might end up needing more than 10 because maybe we'll see as the next few loads come in. Jordan's been getting this area more spread out, getting the pad built up. I'm gonna get the drone in the air here in a second when he comes back with another load. This is what we're working with so far. We got some big rocks that we're getting down just to make this area a little bit harder. Making sure that we don't bury the... Oh, here comes Jordan. Making sure we don't bury this thing. I think we have another barrel that we're gonna stack up because we're gonna bring this up quite a bit. Right in here is where most gravel's coming so far. If you remember, this was pretty dipped down before. Getting it about either higher or close to the same height as this. Still kind of low right there, kind of low over here. Getting a pretty decent sized shelf over this way. Still gonna need to be packed down some, but got a couple more loads of gravel. Jordan being the expert operator, he's trying to get it smoothed out and packed down with the case here. You'll end up with too many. Ooh, that sound is not nice on the road. You can see there's kind of like a hole right here. We started over that way and working our way slowly over here. It's pretty sandy in this area where we haven't had any gravel yet. It's just nothing but sandiness. It's looking good so far. I'll keep you guys updated as we keep on moving along here. Distribute the weight to the back tires. Let her dig. like a pro. Well, we got down about 10 dump truck loads. That's what ended up coming. I think we're gonna need a couple more to get exactly how we like it, but we'll see here. There's still some smoothing out to do. I wanted to get more footage of all the stuff going on, but I had to dip out early because I had a doctor's appointment to go to, and it just so happens that at that appointment I got an x-ray done, and I'm now officially cleared to walk without my boot. So I've been walking around flat-footed with my right foot for the first time in a couple of months, so it feels good to no longer have a broken bone in my foot. So expect milking videos in the future, because I wasn't doing any milking because that requires a lot of walking, but that's going to be a thing again. But I'm pretty sure we're going to have a lot more work to do here, flattening this out more, because there's still a couple things that need to be fixed here, and then we might get in a few more dump truck loads. But this is just the start so far of this project. Soon, very, very soon, those pins will finally be up here. I've been talking about it for a while now, but they will be. But yeah, that was that's how this video went. I guess I'll catch you guys either Sunday or Tuesday, because I might upload on Sunday. I've been leaving it up in the air. I want to do a Sunday videos again, but you know, things get in the way usually. But Tuesdays and Fridays every single day. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace out. Goodbye and good riddance.